After launching its digital OECS harmonized primary curriculum, the DOHPC, nearly a month ago, the OECS Program for Educational Advancement and Relevant Learning, the OECS PEARL, is responding to the growing need for culturally relevant learning materials in the classroom. As such, primary school teachers teamed up with digital media students of the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College to help make this a reality. The 3-day activity, held during the Easter break, according to Curriculum Support Officer with the OECS PEARL, Selma Bisset, focused on equipping teachers and students with skills to develop digital tools that reflect St. Lucian history, identity, and traditions. Participants worked hands-on with apps like Canva and WordWall to bring social studies to life.
We know at the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College, there's a group of students who are into the digital media. They are skilled in that area, and we thought, why not utilize the skills of these students? They will bring the element of the student perspective to the process. Again, it will build their capacity. It is something that they can put on their resume to say that they have contributed as content developers towards the curriculum.
Through collaboration and creativity, participants designed quizzes, educational games, storybooks, and short videos, all tailored to the digital OECS harmonized curriculum for social studies, relevant to the island's cultural heritage. Curriculum Officer for Social Sciences with CAMDU, Julita McFarlane, says the exercise was very timely given the gaps associated with teaching social studies.
We are focusing on the areas of historical and cultural thinking. We're looking at national symbols, national heroes, our national festivals, our indigenous peoples, and of course the impact of the African slave trade.
Each day, the workshop built on the next, from exploring cultural themes to finalizing group projects. Jasani Peter, who is a teacher from the Delse RC Combined School, says the final day featured presentations of completed materials, sparking excitement about their classroom potential.
One of the things that it has created for us working with the students, they are able to tell us which of the applications that they are interested in, like which one that they'll be able to share more insights with us, which one that they would capture their attention more. And that has helped because sometimes you go into the classroom and, you provide something as a teacher and the students may not be interested, but working with them, they are able to tell us, what's better. Miss, I would prefer this, Miss, I would prefer that, Miss, I would be able to understand it better using that platform as to what we would use for ourselves.
The Department of Education, Innovation and Vocational Training sees this as just the beginning. With plans to share the workshop outputs across schools, there is a renewed focus on ensuring that learning in social studies is as vibrant and as rooted as the culture it seeks to preserve. From the Communications Unit of the Department of Education, Innovation and Vocational Training, I am Satney reporting.